Today, Super Typhoon Larry is now hitting the east. Signal number 7, signal number, in these signals, signal number 3 is now gonna hit. We're not experiencing. This is the message of the marqueeian government. Please stand by. Today, Super Typhoon Larry has struck in Marqueeian Sea. These cities were affected with strong winds and heavy rains. East Marqueeian City, Mel City, Long Liston, and more countries. During to this event, these are the instructions what to do. Lock doors and windows. Barricade your doors. Check your door gap. Put your loved ones upstairs. Do not go to the second bathroom. Do not open your window if it's hot. If the weather is so high, and bring food, water, medkit, clothing with you, and your phone as well. Wi-Fi and signals will be cutting, and power outage can happen. Windows, be safe. The numbers of signals are signal number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7 affected by the super typhoon. Upper Empire, Shallow Republic, Disputed Land, and Nathan Republic. Got no information to do. Please stand by. New information. Please stand by. Don't. Alert! Super Typhoon Larry has strong winds, and tsunamis are gonna hit Shallow Strait. Please climb to marqueeian. Take cover. The tsunami is gonna hit. I repeat, the tsunami is gonna hit now. TV's online. Go to your TV. Call 911 for help. Stay safe.